How do you get confident on Zoom, on a Zoom call? Because, sometimes you feel like you look silly. Well, one way of doing it is make yourself look silly. What's the point of doing that? Do this on your own and just get used to looking silly, and it might kind of lighten the mood a little bit. And then when you get onto a real call, you won't look as silly as you did before. How are we going to do that? We're going to use video filters. Now, the great thing is you can do this ahead of time. You can do this ahead of time before you join a meeting in Zoom. So let me show you how. So I've started actually my own Zoom meeting. I don't have anybody else on the call. And now I go down to this stop video down the bottom here, but instead of hitting that stop video, the camera, I hit this carrot button. That's that one there. And so that's the up arrow. And then I go to choose video filter. Now, as you choose these filters, you can see that they've got a few fun things on them. You can change the color. You can see how these change the color of my appearances here. Okay, some of these are a little bit warmer colors. But I can also look a little bit silly. Now, the point of this is to get you a little bit more relaxed, to relax the nerves so that you will not be so, I don't look good enough. Okay, so you could be a bit academic. Hello. Now notice as I move around, the hat moves with me. Okay, or I could have the French look. What we're doing here is trying to get you a bit more comfortable on camera so that it's more you and less you feeling like you look silly. So look silly now, and then when you turn off the silliness, you look good. Okay? And so, what's this one? It just says Zoom, does it? That's pretty weak. How cool do I look here? So you can see that these videos, these sunglasses, hey, they're not sunglasses, are they? Goggles. So you've got all of these different options here on Zoom. Let me try this one. Cat's whiskers. All right. Once again, the reason we're doing this is to get your nervous system a little bit more used to feeling silly, and then we can turn off the silliness. How do we turn it off? Very easy. We just go to none up here on the video filters. Now, by the way, when you go into this background filters, two things to note. The first is that you've got to be on the version of Zoom that has got these background filters. So you just go down to zoom.us, check for updates, okay? And that's to check if you are on the latest version of Zoom, okay? Well, I'm actually not on the latest version. I've got a new version available, so I could just update that. When you go into this, choose a video filter, you may need to, when you click on one of these filters, it may ask you to download. It should only take probably even just a few seconds, and you can click download, and that will download it to your laptop. Okay, so backgrounds and filters. We're not talking about the virtual background behind, with palm trees behind you. We're talking about how you look on camera, what's going to cover your face, okay? You're going to have a flower there. It doesn't really suit me, does it? Don't think I'm going to do that one. Okay, better turn that one off, hit none, and then off we go. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm going to help you to get more confident on Zoom, to release some of those fears that you have on a Zoom, that you may have on a Zoom call, so that you can be more yourself. You better get used to it. We're going to be in this for the long haul.